still stabilizing it with my tripod. But it's actually, if I take the tripod away, it's still holding up. It's pretty cool. It's actually gonna work, I think. It's very wide, like you can lie down. I'll show you, take a look. See, I got plenty of space. And I've still got space before my head hits the wall there. And it's oddly like calm in here. I feel like I'm surrounded by math, and it's great. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on in.
We found you. Again.
You think that's what's Anakin?
Yeah, I think so.
Or down.